Welcome to today's video, where we dive into a common problem faced when trying to load and wrangle data from the CPS datasets in neur. The issue arises when the variables in the data file don't align correctly, leaving gaps and discrepancies that can be quite puzzling for someone new to working with this type of data. Now, let's explore the solution provided to tackle this data loading conundrum. The key lies in a script that processes the .ddf file associated with the CPS dataset. This script efficiently parses the .ddf file, identifying the column widths and other essential information needed to read the data accurately into neur. By following the structured steps in the code, you can transform the raw data file into a coherent and usable dataset for further analysis. In summary, this video delved into a challenging problem faced when loading CPS data into neur and offered a detailed solution using a script to process the .ddf file. By following the steps outlined in the code, you can effectively load the data into neur, ensuring that the variables align correctly and are ready for analysis. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Remember, data wrangling can be tricky, but with the right tools and know-how, you can conquer any dataset that comes your way. See you in the next video.